Hi, today we're discussing a topic often dismissed as just a headache. But if you've ever had a true migraine, you know it's not pain, it's a systemic crash of your brain's entire operating system. In this video, we'll dive into the epicenter of the electrical storm. We'll explore why modern neuroscientists view migraine as a state of a hypersensitive brain. We'll talk about how repetitive attacks physically change your gray matter and why classic painkillers often make things worse. Today, we dive into the neurochemistry of humanity's most mysterious suffering. To understand migraine, we must study cortical spreading depression, CSD. Imagine a wave of electrical excitation moving slowly, 2 to 3 millimeters per minute, across your brain's cortex. According to research in Nature Reviews Neurology, this wave starts in the occipital lobe and literally burns through the neuron's energy reserves. This is followed by a profound depression of neuronal activity, a biochemical paralysis. Massive amounts of potassium and glutamate flood the extracellular space. This process triggers the cascade that hours later turns into an unbearable pulse. Let's meet the primary villain, CGRP, calcitonin gene-related peptide. The Lancet Neurology has published fundamental data on how this peptide drives the attack. When the excitation wave reaches the trigeminal nerve, a massive release of CGRP occurs. This molecule is a powerful vasodilator. It makes pain receptors around brain vessels hypersensitive. At this point, normal blood pulsing feels like a hammer blow. This state is called allodynia, where even the touch of hair on your scalp becomes agonizing. There is good news. We are witnessing the biggest revolution in migraine treatment in 30 years. Science has created high precision weapons. 1. Monoclonal antibodies, MABs. Featured in the New England Journal of Medicine, these work like heat-seeking missiles. They block the CGRP molecule or its receptor. One injection a month can prevent the electrical storm entirely. 2. Gepants and detens, a new generation of pills. Unlike triptans, they don't constrict blood vessels, making them safer for the heart. They block pain at the receptor level. 3. Neuromodulation, cephaly/gamma core. These devices use weak electrical pulses to stimulate nerves. Research in Frontiers in Neurology shows this helps retrain the brain, raising the pain threshold. MRI studies published in Neurology show that chronic migraineurs often have reduced gray matter volume in pain processing areas. This is negative neuroplasticity. A brain constantly expecting pain rewires itself to feel it more easily. The pain matrix becomes denser. Essentially, the brain learns how to hurt. However, this is reversible if chronicization is stopped in time with modern therapy. Neurochemistry is individual. Some methods might be contraindicated for you. Key warnings: rebound pain. Taking painkillers more than 10 days a month makes the brain adapt, and the medicine itself starts causing the pain. Fasting. For a migraine-prone brain, skipping a meal is a massive trigger. Low glucose triggers CSD. Intermittent fasting is often prohibited. Hormones and thyroid. Estrogen drops or hypothyroidism can leave the brain defenseless against CGRP. Migraine is a complex biological process, not a character flaw. By understanding CGRP and CSD, we move from fear to management. Subscribe, study the science, and protect your brain.